Welcome back to my channel, Live with Adan. So I've got my sister Amina. So today we are going to be doing a challenge of so my sister's going to be doing my makeup. So I have two sisters and she is the youngest. She's 5 years old and she loves makeup a lot. Like, she has a lot of makeup products. My other sister is not really into makeup, but if you guys want a challenge with her, let me know. I might be doing that as well. So Amina, what are you going to be doing for us today?
I can do your makeup because I always love makeup so much.
Say hey.
Hey.
Okay, so you're going to be using this palette?
Yes.
So guys, I have not done my brows. I have not neatened my brows. I have not primed my lids. I am going to let that onto her. Whatever she does will be what happens. So guys, my sister Amna is going to be doing my makeup. Amna, which makeup do you want to do?
This one.
So she has chosen the Miss Rose Professional Makeup Retrograde palette. It's a really pretty packaging. Okay, so Amna, which color are you going to start with? Are you not going to prime my lids?
Are you going to prime your lids?
You're supposed to do that with concealer.
Yeah. Okay, first I can do it on this eye.
Do it on both of my eyes. Let's go. Okay, just do it on one eye, then we'll do the other eye later.
I can do it for that one first.
No, don't put concealer underneath my eye. First put it on my eye and then we'll do it down later. You do this eye so that they can see. Okay, and this is a concealer brush.
Let me close this. Give it.
Do.
I want to do eyebrows.
You want to do my eyebrows?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm not sure if that's a good idea, but let's see. So she has gotten the Lush's Brow Luxe Definer pencil. And it's in the shade Natural on Black.
First, you give me.
No, do this eyes that they can see.
I think that's enough.
Not bad, not bad.
And you have to close it.
Guys, that was actually not bad, you know. For an eyebrow, it is not bad at all.
Is that perfect?
Yeah, but brush it in a bit more like this. Let me show you. I'm just going to show her how to brush out brows. Come here. Now you go and then you do it hard. Come on.
Okay. Oh.
Haha. So guys, Amna, you want to talk to them while you're doing my makeup?
Yes. This eyebrow pencil is so cool, and I always want an eyebrow pencil, but I broke the other eyebrow pencil.
Let me show you guys what she broke for a minute. So I have another eyebrow pencil that I did not get in a mystery box. I indeed bought myself from Lush's. That was their eyebrow designer pencil, which was a little more of a pumped up version than this one. Here it is. So this one basically is kind of like an old-fashioned pencil. This was like this, like you could twist it up. Well, it's broken, so it doesn't really have any product. And this was in brown. It has a spoolie brush. I'm gonna be buying this next time now.
And are you keeping that there now?
Yeah, okay, go on. Okay, we're done. We have to be quick. Come on, come on.
Okay. Now I want to do your eyeshadow.
Oh my god, guys, the brows aren't bad. Could be they're more brushed, but they're not bad.
Now I need to do this.
Okay, Amna, please be quick. Come on, we don't have a lot of time, okay?
Okay. I use this brush right here.
So she has got, a good selection of brush. She's really good at selecting brushes. She's got this fluffy angular brush.
Now I can
Get into the frame, Amna.
I'm going to choose green.
No, you're supposed to do not a shimmery shadow in my crease, and then you're supposed to put that on.
What?
She's not really setting my eyeshadow, but that's fine.
This one?
Okay, so she's going into the shade Off Balance, which is this pink nude eyeshadow called Off Balance. So yeah, she's dipping her brush generously. Amna, you doing my makeup? Oh, she's even tapping off the excess, guys. I don't think you should have tapped that much because then the color doesn't show.
The color's not showing.
Because you tapped off more. Just look, do this, okay? And you do 1. Don't do more than that, or else the color comes off.
The color's showing.
Yeah. You want to tell some stories to the camera or something?
Yes. And you guys, I didn't. This is my first time doing other makeup because I want to do every day. And I have a Khadija friend. What's her name is Khadija.
She's got a friend named Khadija. Okay, so far not that bad. Don't you want to blend it out on now? Like this, look, okay? I'm just teaching you some techniques. You go like this.
Okay.
Because it's only in the middle of my lid. Don't you want to take it to?
Yes.
I think I'm just going to touch that up for her. Okay, now what? Now you want to go for a sparkly one?
Yes.
Okay, which one?
This one?
Okay, so now she's going for another pink eyeshadow. It is the shade Cosmic, which is a pink eyeshadow. Because it's a very neutral eyeshadow, I don't really think you guys will be able to see, but I think you'll be able to see it while I swatch. Okay, I'm not supposed to go into a fluffy brush, you know. When you apply shimmery shades, you go into a flat brush or you use your fingers, okay? So guys, I'm teaching her while she's doing my makeup.
Oh my god.
Don't press on it, okay?
Oh no.
It's fine, it's fine. Wow, that's a generous amount. Okay, put it on my eye.
Can you put it like down here?
Show the camera. Okay, don't get too. I'll get down.
Look, not bad.
Doesn't look bad?
No.
Are you done? I can't see the shadow. So look, let me tell you something. Go in with your finger, rub it in there, and then put it on my eyeshadow. Don't use that. Okay, now look at your finger. It has enough. I'll put it onto my eye. Come on.
I'm doing it.
Press it. See?
Yes, it looks pretty.
Ooh, that doesn't look bad, guys. Don't you want to put on any more?
I'm doing far so good.
Okay, wait. I'm just going to fix that, guys, because, well, she's a kid. I'm amazed at how much she knows, though.
I know.
This isn't bad, guys. I actually like it. I'm gonna get in. Stop going there. You know they can't see you then. Okay? So I'll get here so you can see me. Okay.
I want to see.
No. Okay. So do you want to put an eyeliner? Or are you scared?
I think I want to put highlight.
No. You have to put on mascara.
We're not done yet.
Yeah, but first put on mascara.
If it ruiny, you have to wash it?
Yeah. I'll help you. It's okay. So don't take on too much. Come here. Give me your hand. Let me show you. Hold it. You hold it like this, okay? Then you... Yeah, okay. Then you... Oh my god, wait. Let me put this back. This you go.
There's some on your nose.
It's okay, I'll fix that. Okay, that's not bad, I actually like it. I'm just gonna fix it up. Okay. So, it's okay, I'll remove that. Not to say that my skin has been so dried nowadays. Touch her arm now. My skin has been so dried nowadays that it just feels like a rocky road. So guys, we'll be next time. Be right back. So guys, we did our other eye and my other eye, and now it's time for our foundation.
Like do the foundation brush.
Okay, how much foundation do you want?
Just one tip.
Come. No, you don't do it on that. Oh yeah, you can also do that. Like you can swirl it around onto the foundation brush and then put it everywhere. But I think it's not going to be as full coverage as the others, but let's try.
Like put it nicely. That's why we don't use the beauty blender.
Okay, now what?
I'm gonna use, I think this.
Do you want to put my blush on first?
Okay.
So she has got my Miss Rose blush on in shade 5 margin, the mini blush. Here you go.
It's already broken. It's already broken.
Come on.
You look beautiful. You look beautiful. Remember we go someone's house and we stay there?
Yeah.
And we didn't break your, and we
Don't even blend this one out now.
and we didn't brought your makeup when it was upstairs.
My face is so textured today because my thing is so dry. It just looks so bad. Oh wow. Now
Now can you do this?
yes.
First I have to press this.
Oh no, not that much.
I'm sorry.
It's fine, it's fine. Now do it. Press onto it and leave it on now. Blend that out. Oh my god, this is so much highlighter. Blend it out. She's chosen, she put on the Revolution. Oh my god.
Oh my god, there's so much hair.
Highlighter, the liquid highlighter in shade Liquid Lumens Gold.
You have to blend it really carefully.
Why?
Because
It's time for lipstick.
they're setting powder.
I thought setting powder. Yeah, the setting powder is in here.
You have two setting powders.
This one. She's taking the liquid illuminator from the face contour kit.
You look cute. Okay, look in here.
She's put that everywhere except my under eyes.
Look, do
This is a disaster, guys.
look.
You're supposed to put it underneath the eyes arm now.
Oh.
Guys, we have to go out somewhere now and some guests are coming and I am not looking, I'm looking very cakey.
You look really beautiful. You need some more shades for your eyes.
You know why I'm looking cakey on my cheeks? Is because of the highlighter and my dry skin, which I will be taking off this makeup later. Huh?
We need more.
It's lipstick.
More like shades.
No, we just need lipstick.
Okay, I think I can.
She's using the she's using the signature lipsticks from Luscious in the shade Sarang, which I also got in a mystery box as well. It's a red shade.
I'm going to open it. Your lips are so dry. Let me do it. Is that it?
Okay. Let me fix this.
Is that
I'm
it?
going to be taking off this makeup and doing more makeup because people are coming now and I look like a
Clown?
clown.
You look beautiful.
Okay, I do look good. My favorite lipstick because, well, it's very orange.
No, it's really good.
I don't know, whenever I get a lipstick from Luscious as a gift, they're always red. I hate them.
We have to use more things. Is that all it?
Yeah. So guys, I just looked at the footage and I thought I looked cakey and the highlighters was not glowing and stuff. But I actually love this makeup look now.
Yeah.
I think it's very glowy, very dewy. I just don't like the lipstick. I think if we had put on pink, it would look really pretty. I like everything else. The highlighter is looking stunning. It just doesn't really, it looks a little cakey. I like the slightest bit of cakey because of my dry skin. It looks a little patchy because of my dry skin today. But I really like that she put on a really nice pink on the lids that we can add a little bit more. And I love what she did with the blush on. It's a really pretty color. I love that she did my brows really neatly. And I was actually so surprised when she did my brows. I was like, what? How did she do my brows so neatly? And oh my god, this is just such a pretty makeup look. It does look a bit dry because of my dry skin, but I just like this, guys. Thank you so much, Amina.
You're welcome. It looks pretty on you.
It looks pretty on me? Okay, don't forget to like, comment, share, turn the bell notifications on, and
hit the thumbs up.
give it a big thumbs up, yeah, Amina? Yeah. And don't forget to let me know down below what other makeup videos you'd like. Until next time, bye. Bye.